Hey everyone, we've got 7 powerful new features in BuildShip to walk you through that help you seamlessly build and integrate AI workflows into your business. Let's jump in. This is Compass, BuildShip's new conversational AI builder. Just enter a prompt of what you want to build, and Compass builds out a plan for you, and you can modify the plan until you're happy. Once you are, click Start Building, and Compass will build the nodes and fill in the inputs and outputs for you. You end up with a fully built flow that you can now go through and make sure it's completely ready for your use case. You can now programmatically generate inputs for any node in BuildShip, including the OpenAI node. This means your nodes can auto-update with the latest model options, or if you go into the code, you can create custom logic to pull options directly from a database or an API. Just define your logic in a JavaScript function and let your nodes stay flexible and current. OpenAI just released the image generator through their API, but I just tried to generate an image with my personal key, and they make you verify your organization so that you can use the model. Because we now have keyless nodes, instead of using your personal key, you can use BuildShip's key, so you don't have to verify your organization before trying out image 1, which is one of the highest quality image generator tools out there today. In our OpenAI image generator node, you can enter prompt, as well as a set of reference images if you'd like to have them included in your new picture. You can also select the size, quality, and the number of images to generate. Heads up, this is fairly expensive. OpenAI's rate is $10 per million tokens for image generation. So this will chomp your BuildShip credits, which equate to $0.0001 per credit. We have significantly upgraded file handling. You can upload files from your computer when testing, or pick them from a storage bucket. When you run them through the workflow, there's a BuildShip file type that makes it easy to pass files between nodes. There's also a new preview feature so you can see the files that you're working with in the test panel. If you want a URL, just use the upload file tool and you'll get an externally accessible URL that you can share. Typing out JSON schemas can be complicated. We now have a visual way of describing the schema that you want. With Schema Maker, you can list the field name, select the type, and add any other fields you want to be output by the JSON generator. You can also have sub-nested fields and arrays with different types. If you want to give a little bit more description, come into the settings, and you can give a little bit more context to what you're looking for that variable, along with a few other options. This gives you full control over the structure of your LLM outputs, without having to squint at brackets and quotes. Prototype instantly with keyless nodes. Use major models like OpenAI, Perplexity, DeepSeek, Anthropic, Grok, the other Grok, Diffbot, and Gemini without having to provide your own API key. This can save a lot of time and headache managing API key accounts on multiple platforms. Note that these nodes will chomp through your credits because LLMs are much more expensive to use than BuildShip. Using these nodes are perfect to test ideas quickly, and when you're ready to commit, just add your own API key. Once you've built your tool and generated an API URL, instead of integrating it yourself, use our new AI handoff in the Usage tab. Just copy the prompt and paste it into your favorite AI agent. It has everything you need to get your new workflow integrated into your application. Or ship with the tool trigger, where you can select your agent builder for easy setup with 11 Labs, Claude Desktop, Python, web browser, and more. Thanks for tuning in to hear about BuildShip's new features. Also check out BuildShip.Tools, where you can use prompts to build tools for your AI agents. Write your own prompts, use our examples, or remix from our community library. Thank you and happy building.